Hello everyone, good evening everyone. So tonight I'll be playing. Well, first I'm gonna be playing Repo. After this, I'm not sure what game I'm gonna play. I'll probably go for Valorant. That depends though kung nasa mood ba ako mag-Valorant ngayon or hindi. So yeah. Sinisip ko sana kanina kung I already started streaming but bigla ko naalala na may ano nga pala ako. May what you call it? Yung may ice cream nga pala sa ref. Sabi ko later na lang. Sana walang kumain. Kundi magwawala ako. Charot. Okay, so I don't think may save ako dito na solo. Dito. Let's see. Meron pala. Nalimutan ko na yung ginawa ko dito, buisit. Wala. That is just my photo. Okay. Time to go back to Repo. Mag-rage wait ako dito, magpapa-rage wait ako sa Valorant. I'm guessing na may pulse pistol na ako kasi usually galing-galag ako. Hello Isamu, welcome sa stream. Welcome. Kumusta? Tama ba? Nalimutan ko na yung ginawa ko dito sa nito. I'll just assume na ako. More health. Ba't parang mali? What do you mean? Ang aga ko? Okay lang yan. Ay, just go. Parang hindi ako kaagad mamatay. Dito ko na lalagay. Pero ID ka, welcome to stream, welcome. And Penelope, welcome to stream, welcome. Kasi muna ako kukuha nung strength. Parang iyan ako na lang. Ipagsasabay-sabay ko na sa next or sa round 3? 4 pala. Hello Shani, welcome to stream. And Samo, thank you for sharing the live. Thank you very much, appreciate it. Nag po ba kayo, Kuya Ted? Feel ko oo. Feel ko yes. Hello Nathaniel, welcome to stream. Welcome, how are you? Kasi ang baba ng bitrates ko eh. Sana umayos siya later. I guess kuha ko ng isang strength para hindi ako mahirapan sa pag ng gamit. Tapos, wait. Do I get feather drone? Hello Kisaki, welcome sa stream. Welcome. I guess one stamina is okay then. Okay, I can get 2 stamina. Ngayon na pa ako naghanap ng tatambay na stream, buti nandito na kayo. Okay na yun. At pala hindi mo na ako kumuha ng strength ko, pero na pala akong yung feather drone ay bahala na nga. Wait lang, may re-replay na ako. Wait lang, may re-reply na ako. Okay. Hi Kuya Zed, how's your evening po? It's fine, I'm doing good. And Sama, thank you for sharing live again. Kain ba ako ng ice cream? Mamaya naman. I know. But, hello Yusha, nakalushim ako. Solo repo, yes. Since, okay lang naman. I don't mind playing solo ngayon. Kasi feel ko pag maano eh. Pag solo, nare-rage bait ako dahil pag nahulog ako sa, sa butas. Pag may kasama naman ako, nare-rage bait ako dahil may sa mga kasama ko. So either way, nare-rage bait ko rin ako. Excuse me. So might as well just play solo na lang. And plus, biglaan lang din yung pag repo ko. Kasi inisip ko talaga kanina kung magbabalo ako eh. Pero sabi ko, repo muna bago balo. Kaya did I have balita? What is it? Oh, so Kazu, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Kamusta? How are you? Wait, are you not streaming ngayon? Or did you not stream talaga ngayon? Also, ano pala yung balita mo? And Shani, welcome back. So, kanina I was working non-stop on my immersion. Okay. Nakakala ko ano. Like, fully sweaty pagkaupo ko. Okay. But before that, here. Also, modded repo pala to just for context. Inutusan ako, buhatin yung lamesa pupunta auditor. Okay. Mukhang walang gamit dito. Ngayon ako sa akin down the stairs. Kasi I remember her. Hello. Hello, Jamino. Can I stream ako? Oh, it's the fucking gnome. Of course. Crazy guys, just remember she suddenly crazy thing is, just as I remember, she suddenly pop out of nowhere. Tangina nyo! Mob reset. But what we think is a sign na tapos na puto ko nakalaw bumalik dito. Tapos naalala ko bigla, tapos bigla kang lalabas sa harap. I mean, maybe. I mean, personally speaking, hindi ako naniniwala sa mga ganun, but it's a you thing na. Pang inang mga gnomes kasi yun, sabay-sabay puta. Sabay dun sa headman, tarantado puta. Nakakasimula ko palang nare-rage bait na kaagad ako. Ano pa ang pinaka-Hiroshima? Ay, speaking of her pala, are you in good terms ba ngayon? Or na? Hello, Fries. Welcome to stream. Ayos ko dati ako ng tropa ko mag-ML. Happy streaming and I'll be right back. Okay, okay. ML ba sa'yo? Ayun. Kapit ko nga kasi dito. Lola, hello. Hello! Fries, kamusta, kamusta? Hello, Holy Milk na sabi. Welcome to stream. And sila Jolly, welcome as well. Welcome, welcome, guys. Hello, hello. Hello, Holy Milk na sabi. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. How are you? How's your evening? And Shani, thank you for sharing the live. Thank you, thank you. Very much appreciated. Okay. We can continue. Asa yung headman, putex? Ang inang mga gnome kasi yun. How's your evening pala, guys? How was your evening? Have you all eaten dinner na? Mga nandito sa chat ngayon. Okay. Big item, big item. Big here, golden fruit. So, helmet ba to? Or what? Wala ho, rami na naman gagawin bukas. Is it yun dun sa, ano, yung sa choir? Hello, Shani, welcome back. Yes. Let's go. Good luck na lang talaga. I hope mairaos mo yan. Uy, may ano. May large blender. May maliit na items ba dito? Meron. Hello, paano ako na Shima? Kumaka. Ay, ewan ko, ba't parang pagod ako ngayon? Kahit hindi naman talaga ako. Wala naman akong ginawa ngayon. I feel tired. Nag-buy na ako ng gift para sa aming exchange gift bago lang. Uy, nice. Hello, Yanana. Welcome to stream. Welcome. Okay, time to extract this muna. Wala tayo po, or okay lang yan. Where the fuck is the headman? Naabutan ko yung fan na 395 lang. Uy, nice. Yung parang mini fan, ganon. Yup. Jojo Doc. Oh, hindi ako maalam sa mga price, mga ano yung mga tawag nun? Mga brands nun. Alam ko lang yung Jisoo Life eh. Dahil napaka-email. Okay, so animal, gnomes, tapos the headman. Speaking of, huwag kang mababasag, puta. na-stuck. Nor. Ah, putang ina. Ba't kasi dun pa namatay, buisit? Hello, Link. Welcome to Rishima. Welcome. How are you? Other famous fan brand ang Gujo Dog. Ah, okay, okay. Good to know, good to know. Ba't nagtatahol yung aso namin? Is that it? Ah, hindi pala. May something. Yes, me. Hello, Shadow. Welcome to Rishima. Welcome. Asan card ko yun? Usap ko na lang to. Thank you for the heart me, Fry. Sige, thank you. Very much appreciated. Ayun. Balikan ko na lang yun. Hindi kasya. Thank you for like a live as well, Fry. Sige, thank you. Hello, Andres. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Tapos, ito. Hello, Shanda. Makurushim. Welcome. Nahin ko muna yung ano dito. Yung, ito. Putex. Thank you for sharing the live again, Shani. And Sheeny, or Sheen, welcome. Lola, parang namimiss ko siya. Ako din, namimiss ko siya. Pero may nalaman ako so wala akong karapatan. Ay, Diyos ko. I'm only playing to distract myself na lang. Ang putex ng item pa pala. Tangina, dami pa pala items dito. Anong nalaman mo? May possible naka-TS siya. Kaya ayun. I'm hurting kahit walang karapatan. Na ginawa niya. Baka nga may ka-TS. And if meron siya ka-TS, edi okay. Good for him. Happy for him. Basta masaya lang siya. Figs, welcome to Shima. Welcome. Wala naman tayo magagawa dun kung meron, di ba? I just have to be supportive of it. Na kayo, mga hinayupak talaga kayo, mga gnomes kayo. Tarantadong hinayupak, puta. Okay, back to the topic. Kung meron man siya, edi okay, good for him. Wala nga, but sakit. Eh, hindi na, I'm not sure, maybe. Kasi, I was thinking of ano, taking my feelings for him seriously. Like, actually ano, actually, I was even planning on courting him, if ever, na he gave me a chance. Pero, since meron na nga, edi, I'll just be happy for him. Belalala. Ewan ko ba, nakukuha ko na yun dun sa sa isang kaibigan ko, yung Belala. Hala, OMG. Bakit? Why? Hello, Rex Rexy. Welcome to stream. Welcome. Hindi naman siguro basag tong hindi. I think. Hindi. Ito na lang hirap natin. Ay, hindi naman sa harap. Lagay natin dito sa sa gilid. Ayan. Ito, push natin. Yan. Hello, Jelena. Welcome to stream. Welcome. So sa akin ang lang naman guys, ang important is masaya siya. Na he's getting treated well and whatnot. That's what, just knowing that makes me happy for him. So yeah. I just hope he's getting treated well. Yun lang talaga. Ay, ano nang bibilin ko dito? Magsha-shotgun na ba ako or sa level 5? Actually, pwede naman sa level 5 na ako mag-shotgun. That's 48k. Shotgun is 46. Yeah, next round na lang ako mag-ano. I guess I know, maganda shock double drone kaya ako. Pwede naman. Pag, siguro level 6, pag nakapag-ipon-ipon ng ng pera, ipagsasabay-sabay ko na yung mga strength. Para kahit papaano, medyo mura-mura pa siya. Kasi minsan umabot na ng 24k eh. So I guess, stamina, speed. I could go for speed, pati range. Tapos, speed. Walang speed. Speed. 10. Pag wala talagang speed. Pero ito. 7, 6. Ayun, ito. 6k. Tapos, extra jump? Maybe? Hindi. Huwag muna. I can go for extra health. Para mag 180 yung health. So I have 10k mo. I mean, I could go for like, direction 200 ko na health ko. There we go. Wait lang. Wala ako ng kunin ko lang yung ice cream. Kainin ko lang ng onte. Be right back. I'm back. Ayun. Ang ice cream for today is coffee crumble. Ayun. Favorite ni Mommy. Hindi ko naman inubos. Since, I mean, it's okay siya na flavor, pero it's not like my favorite. If we're talking selecta, ang favorite ko is yung Choco Coffee, no, Choco Almond Fudge. Ang second ko is Cookies and Cream. Vanilla sa'yo? Oh, okay. Ano kaya tawag ito? Price, diba yung sa 1K? Apart from the, what you call it? Yung sa maid outfit, ano pa yung pwede kong gawin? Kasi plano ko sana Q&A pero parang kinopya ko lang naman si Nips pag ganun. Guess what I confirm and then yun. Yun? Anong yun? Puta may loom. Hintay ko muna dito. Kakain muna ako ng ng coffee crumble. Matadaan pala to. Yan lang nasa isip ko. Strip. Hoy, gagi. Minsan nawawala sa isip ko na 16 ka pa lang. Price, putex. Pero yun nga, ano nga pwede? QHD talaga? Speak of, hindi ko pa pala nakikita yung mukha mo, visit. Nakakalimutan ko palaging tignan. Yay. Lahat naman gumagawa niyan ng Q&A. Kasi nagawa ko na siya dati Part 2 na naman. Nagkaraoke na lang din. Ayoko magkaraoke stream, putik. At bakit ang boses ko magkakaraoke ako? Ayun, pwede naman din kasi ang plano ko sa 1K stream yun. Ay puta, nagulat ako dun. Ang ganda kaya boses mo. Meron kayo, puta. Palagi nang ewan ko ba ba't na kayo sa boses ko? Like, I find my voice so fucking annoying. Like, legit. Noise ko na yung cheese ko. Bili ka. No one's stopping you. Apart na lang sa financial capabilities mo. Capabilities. Nasasali ako dun sa tapantitip ko dun sa teacher ko na ko na is capabilities imbes sa capability, putex. Kasi pronunciation ng teacher ko sa capabilities, capability I am broke right now, same. So broke na bawasan ko GPU funds ko, puta. May Pero yung ayaw ko sa, ito yung ayaw ko sa Headman eh. Itong mga, ano, animal boxes. Napakalaki-laki na ito. Hindi naman sobrang, sobrang mahal. Mahal. Tapos ko allowance ko before pa nag-half naman. Halaka, anong ba pinagbibili mo? Wait lang. I was begging my mom for food money, the plus sa may lola. Just to die. Ano ba kasi binili mo? How much I spent in bonus and food? Ba't ka kasi mag-donate kung alam mong kung alam mo you're not in a good financial status? Mag-donate ka lang if kaya mo lang. Huwag mong pilitin. Natawa ako na tao. I mean, pag food, sige. Pag food, go. Kaya magbili ka na ng bili. Pero like pag sa donation, you don't have to always donate. I mean, sure, we get it. Syempre, coming from, for sure, streamers din yung inano mo. Coming for as a streamer, you don't always have to donate. Just being there on the stream, liking or ganon. Okay na sa amin para support yun. Mas importante sa amin, you spend your money on yourself. Nagutom na ako basta hindi ang bias ko. Grabe siya. Di kasi di ko namamalayan yung dinodono ko. Diyos ko, day. Dapat parang ito gawin mo. Like, diba sa isang month, i-set aside mo yung mga panggastos mo. Parang tawag ito. I-audit mo na. Kunyari sa isang araw, ang gagawin mo lang, ang isa-spend mo lang, mga 100, ganun. Tapos, let's say mag-set aside ka rin for for emergency purchases. Tapos the rest, kung ano lang kailangan mo, kung anong gusto mong bilhin or edi go. Naka one tap buy ako. Diyos ko, day. Kaya naman pala. I mean, to be fair, dati ganyan din ako. Lalo na yung after pandemic. Tapos nung senior high, online pa ako noon. Ngayon hindi na pwede. Kasi dati, nagpapadala pa lola ko from Australia eh. Ngayon, nandito na siya. So, hindi na ako pwede masyadong na gastos. Kaya dati carry ko pang bumili ng gumastos sa Genshin ng hanggang most na gastos ko sa Genshin na ata 6k nung time na yon. Third thing is ngayon, mas malaki na yung gastos ko sa HSR, which is 7.7. Tama, 7.7. Tapos, pero yun, yun tawag ito? May sa allowance ko na nababawasan yun. And kaya siya nagmamahal kasi monthly na ako nabili nung express pass. The only malaki na gastos ko is food pamasahin. I feel like talaga you shouldn't really spend that much for streamers. Kasi yun nga, coming from someone na alam ko yung in and out of the streaming world ngayon, You just don't know kasi kung yung mga streamers mo ba is genuine ba talaga or hindi. Like you shouldn't easily trust streamers to the point na magbibigay ka ng pera. Lalo na as someone as young as you. Hello Kalaya, welcome to Hiroshima, welcome. And sorry, welcome to Hiroshima as well, welcome. How are you pala, ano, Kalaya? How are you? Yun lang, stubo lang ako ng ice. Kasi ano eh, before I started streaming, I was spending money on ano eh, on donating to a streamer. Like, although yeah, isa siya sa nag-push sa akin mag-stream. But, yun nga. Ay puta! Ang ina nyo! Anong talagang hinayupak to, putang ina. Ina. Okay naman, although I'm feeling we can drain out each day. Why? What happened? What happened? Is there something wrong ba? Nakagulat naman yun. Pati ako din, nagulat din ako. Diyos ko. Pero sa live ko na to, di na ako nakakalaro masyado. I mean, even still, yun nga yung sabi ko nga ano. Like, I used to donate a lot to this one streamer. Like, hindi naman sobra-sobra. Like, to the point na actually, dapat pinipipunan ko nga mag-ano eh. Mag-donate sa kanya ng Galaxy. Pero, shit happened. Na, ano, noong una, between yung mga mods pa lang niya, which is including ako, nalaman namin na the person that he was dating isn't actually 20 years old. She was actually 16 while he was 21. So, yeah. Ingat-ingat na lang talaga sa mga pagdating sa streamers kasi hindi mo talaga alam kung ano yung ginagawa nila on their own time. I mean, kahit ako, hindi ko naman kayo ma-assure na am I a good person off cam. Kasi, syempre, pwede ko sabihin na, oo, I'm a good person, ganyan-ganyan. Pero, ano, sa totoo, hindi talaga, diba? What the hell, grooming? Yeah, ang dami ina-assign sa akin sa school na extracurricular activities, wala pa doon yung studies ko. Konti na lang magko-collapse na ako. Huy, take a break. Wag mong pilitin katawan mo. Dahil gusto mo magyari yung nagyari sa akin. Na pinilit kong ano. Ina mo, itawa na naman. So yun nga. Huwag mong pilitin katawan mo. If you have to take a break, take a break. Ina mo, ikaw na naman. Sa lahat ng monsters, yan yung pinakang-ayaw. Baka low blood na rin daw ako ngayon. Uy, Gagi. Take a break. Wag mong gawin yung gawain ko, Gagi. Kasi I have also done that. Aminin sa aminin. Tapos ang nangyari is, ayun. Alam mo kung nangyari sa akin, dinala ako sa hospital. Possible, MI, myocardial infarction. Heart attack, putiks. Although ang sabi sa akin is stable angina. May isang doctor din nagsabi sa akin na possible MI nga daw. May heart attack. So ayun. Basta don't overwork yourself. Wag ka lang tanggap ng ng trabaho. Hmm. Hello, ang gawa ko ng regime. Come on, Tom. How are you? How have you been? Okay. Busin ko lang itong ice cream ko. Konti lang naman na. Okay, nakala ko mamaya pa to. Pero at least dito ko na siya to i-control. Umayo ka sa akin! How dare you? Distance, bitch! Ayun, hindi ka dyan sa'yo binibigay na task sa eh. Hindi ako nun ina-ask if kaya ko. Pag in-inform na lang ako agad na may ganun. Can I ask you, sino ba nag-ano sa'yo? Like, nagda-delegate ng task sa'yo? Is it like a teacher ba or what? Advisor ko saka yung dean mismo ng college department. Diyos ko, you should tell them na na yun nga, you should open up to them na wag palagi i-delegate yung task sa'yo. Di mo ba mabas yung mga, yeah, if di ba query, saka din na-assign kapag yung dean na wala ka lang magagawa. I mean, even still, dapat ino-open up mo yun sa kanila na, kasi, yun nga, not only may pinapagawa advisor mo, pati din dean mo, may pinapagawa ka. If ayaw pa rin nilang tantana, dapat report mo na sa checkpoint, diba? When in doubt, report, just go. Don't forget na, you're still a human being and you have rights. Kasi ang maano niyan, ang mako-compromise diyan, health mo eh. Ang ina yung mga noobs talaga kayo. Malaman lang nga sir, parang thank you for organizing and managing this event. Health is wealth pa naman. True. Pero after December 15, makakahinga na ako. I mean, that's good to hear, but still, mas okay na din na, na you don't always get overworked. Kahit sabihin mo ikaw yung like may maraming skills dyan, mas okay na din na na you get the proper rest. Kasi parang nangyayari, take advantage nila eh. Nakakaraos lang hanggang December 15. I mean, if basta always don't, if you ever have the free time, mag-rest ka lang. And thank you for the heart me pala. Thank you. Kasi yun talaga yung important eh, rest eh. Isa pa nga ako sa represent sa isang contest ng Shed eh. Diyos ko, kaya mo pa ba? Si Din mismo nagpapunta sa akin sa kanya. Papunta sa akin sa kanya para ibigay yung 15 pages na papel. Basta, when all of this is done, get a lot of rest. Tapos sabi parali ko daw, nang sabihin ko sa kanya na ano need to going for the contest. Putik. Wala man lang tanong na pwede ba ikaw yung ano, yung mag-represent sa college natin. Diretso bigay ka agad. Giving toxic na university. May reply pa pala ako. Wait lang. Ano to? Kapag daw walang entry school namin, ako daw may kasalanan, habi niya. Pero the pressure. True. Let's go. Why are you why are you passing all of the all of the work sa isang student? Wait lang, excuse me. Wait lang guys, ilalagay ko lang yung yung baso ko sa kusina, Berta. Okay, I'm back. Wait lang, may reply na ako sa Discord. Ay. Ayan guys. Parang gusto lang mag-change game kagad, visit. Okay, isang oras pa lang. Should I just play Valo? Or bili muna ako ng mga... malamang sa mga bili muna ako ng mga gamit. 41k. Well, I could wait. I could get this as well. Wala bang mas mura? 4k. Diba 3k lang to sa una? Or... Di pa 4 putex. Ano pa ba? Already got the drones that I need. Puro ano na lang to. I guess for now, health upgrades tapos speed. Not speed, stamina. Pero din isang extra jump. Tapos stamina. Isang 6k na lang. Impacto. At pala hindi ko yung ginastos lahat. Ay, para na nga. Sa level 6 na ako magbibili ng maraming slug. Or mag-ano muna ako, tapusin ko na itong level 5. Sige, tapusin ko na yung level 5. Swift room, okay. Tama ng kagamit-gamit, visit. Okay, so far walang sign ng blue. I'm gonna guess low. Either robe or trudge. Anything else? Wala. Lagay ko na dito sa extraction point. Pero yun guys. Should I... Okay, genuine question. Should I ask him ba if he's talking with someone? Kasi hindi naman exactly kinonfirm nung friend niya. But I was basing it on the fact na yung sa wordings niya. Ayan. Okay, we can continue. Dograt. Hidden pa nga talaga. You should. Sige. I'll ask him either later or bukas. Thing is, ready ba ako marinig yung sagot niya? Closure naman din yan, di ba? I mean, if ever na meron, edi yeah, it's closure. If not, edi it's going to be my motivation na tuloy ko yung pag-pursue sa kanya. Kasi yun nga, like I am willing to support him if ever. Ganun ako kaseryoso sa kanya. Kasi sila mag-move on if alam mo talaga yun nung nangyari. True. Rather than waiting for an answer. Balikan ko yung Indestructible. Balik ko nung ilalagay ko. Kasabay ko na. Kasi if he really is talking with someone, edi I won't continue. If not, edi I'll continue. Ay shit, yung ano nga pala. Kasi sa akin, he's the type of guy I'm willing to risk it for. So yeah. Kuya, question, what is it? Tamang mas madaling way para makakit. Dito. Ito. Do I really sound younger and do I chat like a guy? What do you mean, like, do you sound younger? And you don't chat like a guy. What does that even mean? Puta, nag-double jump na dun. Yun. Ayun, dito ko na ihulog yan. Yun, shoot. Urong ko na lang dito sa likod. There we go. Mukha ba akong like younger audience sa pag-shot? Actually, hindi nga eh. You're like the exact opposite. Ano kasi noon, people thought I was a guy. Hindi naman eh. Para na siya mag-disappear. Parang gamit. So hindi ko na I'm not risking it. Siguro last run ko na to ng repo, tapos mag-Valorant na. Ayun, hindi ko na natuloy yung Terraria ko visit. At I thought I was 13. Weh? Seryoso? Second, I think like second extraction. Grabe naman. I mean, to be fair kasi, may mga, din kasi, May mga viewers si Abby na ano, like at that age. I feel like I chat differently to people. To other people. I mean, sa akin hindi naman. Like, hindi naman like weird yung pag-chat mo. Kasi to be honest, I don't see the difference on sa pag-chat ng isang lalaki tsaka sa babae. Hmm. Yun nga, I don't find it that in that way. Ganun. Yeah. I think it's cause when I joined University Alaska was when I graduated. Maybe. I mean, possible yun. Na-late ako nagising ngayon pero inaantok ako, putex. Guessing last extraction point. Last extraction point. Kapit naman nung ano. Napakalapit. Napakalayo naman nung last extraction. Nung second extraction point. Kasi yan, streaming na. Most likely magpo-Fortnite kasi hindi ko na natatapos. Kala ko shoot na yun. I think here, book. Okay, time to go back. Ay! Why ba to? Kaya pa ako naghuhugas. Oh my OMG. Paano what do you mean kanina ako pa naghuhugas? Nanghuhugas. Tatlong kanila na hindi hugas. Go! Hugasin mo na yan. Hugas well sa'yo. I see small items. Enjoy your stream, Zed. Thank you, Halaya. Thank you. Oy, don't forget to rest, ha. Get lots of rest after nung mga need mong gawin. Ito. How dare you spawn in front of me? Dalawa na lang pala. Kasi may laman pa na rice yung isa. Go, hugas ko sa'yo. Malayo naman nung ano, second extraction point dito. Pasok ko siya ng pag ganito. Para di mataas tayo. Ayun, okay na pala yun. Tapos, extra. Saan ako pwede magtago? Dito na lang. Meron ako grelpay sa Discord, busit. After ito, magbabalorant na ako. Oras na to, 1 hour na yung stream. I know, okay. Pero ko nag-spawn na yung mga monsters. Bakit may unicorn pala dun? Hindi ko nakita. Habang with it. Okay, time to bring this up. Dito. Mukhang paldo ako ngayon, ha? Indestructible na rin. I think kaya ko naman to carry. Yup. Ayan, live na si Shian. Ay, Valorant pa talaga ako ngayon. Oo nga pala. Need ko mag-commit at yung kaya nyo maging yung ginastos ko sa Battle Pass. Ay, nahulog ka pa. Parang ako nahulog sa maling tao. Ay, charot. Hindi siya maling tao. Just the wrong circumstances. Yan, ano pa ba yung isang enemy? Gnomes ba yun? I forgot. Okay, dyan pa. Ayun yung hidden. Tapos na ako, yay. Yay, tapos na siya maghugas. Congrats. Napakalayo ba naman kasi ng ano? Hmm. Mhm. Replyan ko lang 'tong kaibigan ko. Hmm. Okey, anong puwede kong bilhin? Kasi it's either ipag-iipon ko lahat, either bibili na ako ng strength ngayon or iipunin ko lahat ng strength next game. Para mura-mura pa siya ngayon. I think gano'n na lang gagawin ko. I guess I can buy other things. Hello Fries, welcome back. Eto. Tapos, I guess I can take ano, tig-isa nito. Parang mahal naman na ito. I just came from Shein. What is he playing ngayon? Anong nilalaro niya ngayon? Fortnite. Ah, okay. Sabi na nga ba. Tama yung hinala ko. Hmm. Alam may mas mura dito. Tapos ganun na lang gagawin ko. Every ano, maglalagay ako ng isang i-60k ko na lang. Yeah, okay. Mukhang magsa-solo queue ako ngayon sa ano sa Valo. Visit. Hmm. Wait lang, share lang ako. Real quick. Hello guys, I'm back. Magbabalo na ako. OMG 2% I love it. 2% na ano? Battery mo sa phone? Just go. Also, Keno and Garb, Sir B, welcome. How are you all? Kamusta ang evening? Yup, just go. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ano, yung sa'yo na ano, na palaging lobat ka. Wala na ng topic dito sa ano. Doesn't GC. Hmm. Okay. Ayan. I shall change the violence. No, it's 9 so it's reasonable. Ay, putex. Invite ka agad si Banti ah. Ah. Wait lang. Hello? Hello, Banti.
You wanna play?
Pwede naman.
Okay. Wait lang, may hinihintay ako.
Ay, lipat na lang ako sa VC niya.
Ano yan?
Lipat na lang ako dun sa VC. Ayoko mag-on mic dito sa ano, sa Valo.
Ah, sige.
Lumabas ang Sentinels of Light Vandal.
Hello.
Listen to me. Sentinels of Light.
Hi, Kuya
Nah,
Zed.
I
Have
don't
you met
use
Ate
that.
Honey?
don't use
I
Vanda.
think
You
one
haven't?
time sa VC.
Oh, you okay.
Hello,
Hi.
hello. I think yung nag-ano ata tayo, nag-Valo tayo ng isang gabi.
Ah, yeah. I remember.
Okay. Na-familiar ako sa, ano eh, sa name niya.
Ate Honey, may ubo ka pa rin?
No, it's just my throat recovering. Why?
I don't know what. I think I have a slight cough. Oh my God.
Oh no.
Hinawa mo ako ganun.
Sira
Through the-
ulo.
Wow.
Sana all baliw.
No, I think it's my mom and dad. They have cough.
Mm.
Oh my God, kill me. I hate having cough. Holy shit.
Real
Save him. Please just save him. My
Gagi,
purple-
ang cute nung oat bias ISO buddy.
Ay, meron ako nun! Meron ako nun!
It's so
Ay.
cute.
I have that right now. Sabi ko, putang ina.
Wait lang.
Gan-
Where's screen? Ay, yung nga pala. I forgot to share screen. Wait.
Just a girl in the mirror just hurt me.
Bakit, ano, stream ako
Look at
right now.
which of these. Oh shit, you're streaming?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Like
Yeah, that's
streaming?
Yeah, right now.
Let's see.
Oh no. Okay, I might not be able to.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm gonna have to add disclaimer now. I am not in a very entertain your audience
Same.
type of mood
I just
today.
I just played a
Ay,
game. You know?
Look, I am as well, pero inaano ko na lang, pinipilit ko na lang.
You're gonna get burnt out that way.
Nah, I don't
okay.
care.
Actually, yeah, you're gonna get burned out that way, but also like just giving you a heads up that hey, I can't entertain. I
It's
can't be
okay, it's okay.
entertaining today. I'm just here to play.
No worries. I'm
Yeah,
fine
same.
with that.
Oh my God.
Oh, Old Bias Jet Buddy also cute, bro.
Wag
Ano yun
lalaro
sa
kaya-
Battle Pass?
Yeah, nasa Battle Pass siya. Nasa chapter 10.
Meron yung kay ano din eh, Yoro.
Yoru. I don't really care about Yoru, honestly.
Wow.
Yeah, like I know a lot of people have a crush on Yoru, and I'm like,
I have a crush
don't
on
see it.
ISO.
I'm an ISO girly as well.
I like Isa. I like Isa.
We are ISO girlies. So ayun.
As for crushes, though, which one do I actually like? like would absolutely invite home for coffee or ramyun? Harbor.
Fair enough.
Harbor? That's fair enough.
Sorry, I like.
Hot, bro.
I'm either ice or a gecko.
Oh yeah, they're very cute.
Yeah.
They're so
They're shipped.
cute.
I ship them.
I ship them. They're cute.
True.
Or them or chamber. Or so.
Harbor, Omen, Sova, Teho, if I'm drunk, maybe. Phoenix, definitely. Reina, sober. Yes, definitely. Reina and Sky.
Viper? How about Viper?
Viper, yes, absolutely. Viper, Reina, Sky. They're gorgeous. Look at them. Whee!
Kalbo ba
And-
si Sai?
and Astra.
Balik mo kalbo si
Yeah.
Sai.
I think he might be bald because that head is smooth every time he takes the hat off.
Fair enough.
Wala talagang texture. It's just smooth.
Give me I cannot do the corpse. Ano yun? Give me a corpse.
Give me a corpse.
Impression.
Give me a corpse.
The heart,
Give me.
the trauma from that aspect, the brain being absolutely rattled by that. Hold on, what? Oh,
What is happening?
Mises audio. He's watching a
You
video.
amazed?
I'm watching a video to like I'm configuring the ano ba, the thing.
Okay.
Wait, I'll get
Ay,
my
walang
settings.
napansin yan?
I don't use Discord.
Oh, you don't use
Oh.
Discord?
Yeah.
I see.
Then
I just-
welcome.
It doesn't happen in Valorant. Wait,
Yeah.
let me check.
Ay, it's okay naman, but if it's gonna be bothering you, then we could just use Valorant comms while we're playing. I'm okay with that.
I mean, it's not bothering me, but maybe it's bothering you guys, you know.
It might get confusing while we're playing the game because we're
Right,
hearing
right,
different audios, yeah. Gusto ko talaga ng Sentinels of Light, bro. I
Okay.
want it. It's 2175 VP.
I'll get my other
Ano naman
headset
siya?
for a while.
Parang kakastos ka ba bukas? Huwag mo na.
I mean, wait a minute. Let me check. Let me check. Do I have money?
Hi, Kuya Ali. You wanna join?
What?
Hi,
Valo?
Valo?
Hello. I didn't
I'm
have
not sure
Valo-
that
Valo
that's-
updated.
Or does this
So
feel like a
very-
group chat?
Let's do swift play first.
Okay. Ang cool ng
Ay,
ano,
spike
nung
flash pala.
overdrive blade.
The what?
The overdrive blade. Pero walang pera kaya wag na.
Overdrive blade. Let me check what that is. Wait, Vandal?
No. Blade. Knife siya.
Oh, the mail out.
Match found.
Rinig ko
Whoa.
yun ah.
What the fuck?
I can stream
Oh yeah, sure.
in VC.
Okay.
Where the fuck is Arena?
Maybe.
Oh, there she is.
Packet sage lang ako. Packet sage lang.
Bala kayo dyan.
No, never play Pocket Sage. You play Sage and then you bait people. You rest them so you have a meat shield and you keep shooting. You get that kill.
Wow.
Wow!
Dang.
That's how you play Sage. That's the correct way to play Sage.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare select your own.
That
Don't
is
you dare.
definitely a way to play Sage. I like it.
Why is
Oh my
my
god.
val...
Hi, MP Vanavalo.
You know what? Go
He
for it.
still doesn't have a thing.
Wait.
Hi MP, what's up, man? You wanna
My
make out?
my Valo is lagging,
Sure.
I think.
Let's go.
I miss playing Valo with you, bro.
You need
Come on,
Alam mo,
Val.
alam mo nasa
over
ano ako,
round two.
nasa com shop ako one time, tapos nakita ko, uy, gago online si
Thank
Kuya
you for
MP sa
sharing, welcome.
balo,
Thank
invite
you
ko
for
nga.
live.
Tapos ayun, naglalaro pala siya.
Uy,
Alis
how
na
did
ako
you-
nun, tapos na siya.
How did you
Hi.
play, MP?
Brother's PC.
My Valorant
I
is
see, I see.
lagging.
Bogus
Naka-freeze
minute.
lang siya.
Bogus Binted!
Are y'all in na ba? Or hindi pa?
Oh, shit. Did we
Yes,
start
we're
again?
all in.
Ah, fuck.
Someone sent me a message.
Wait, restart ko Valorant ko puti.
You go for it.
Okay.
Honey can't play rank with Vanty.
Diwag!
Nasa ages screen pa rin ako.
Diwag! Okay
You
na.
need to be sprayed kasi you have galis. Mabilis lang, okay?
Yeah, loading in Valorant again. Thank you for the heart, me, Camo.
Okay.
Thank you. Hello, just passing by, but I'm about to sleep. Publishing win. Thank you, Camo. Sleep
Hi,
well to you.
passing
Sleep
by.
well.
Hello, passing by. I'm Honey.
Ay, wow.
Oh my
Yeah,
god!
go.
I love that joke.
I have a joke. I have a joke. I have a joke. I have a joke.
What's your joke?
I'm sorry, Kuya Ali, but you can't relate to this.
Okay.
But I'll try to explain it after. Okay. So, ano ang pagkakaparehas ng tula at saka utot?
Ano?
Ano?
Nanggagaling sila sa puwet.
Reset. Reset. Ang tawa ni Honey.
Told you.
Wait, loading in, loading in.
Oh my god. Bagal mag-load.
Ay, bagal na loading visit.
Wait, nag-load pa rin ba sa inyo?
Yeah, naglo-loading pa.
Apotix, na-restart ko lahat.
Okay,
Hindi
now.
pa rin nag-load.
Okay, so what I said, Kuya Ali, I said, what's the similarity between a fart and a poem? So in Filipino,
What is that naman?
a poem comes from a poet, right? And then what did I say?
The Filipino word for butt
For
is puwet.
for Bart, yeah, poet, and
So-
it sounds like poet, you know.
Yeah.
So both poem and fart comes from poet, you know. Ayan, na-disconnect na nga.
Ala, nag-crash yung Valorant ko.
Bro, my sense of humor is so fucking stupid.
That's my
Okay.
all-time
I
favorite.
don't get it when it's English. Oh my god, I'm so slow. Oh my god.
I'm loading in Valo again. It crashed.
Yeah, yeah.
Ay,
Oh, shit.
Heaven, dalawa. Okay na?
Going.
Punyeta na.
Shit.
I swear to God, if this fucking
Eh.
wala ako.
Nice, thank you.
Go kay Maze. You can do this, man.
You got
Ano yun,
this.
flank?
Never mind.
Ay, never mind.
It's okay. Auntie.
Lean, hello, welcome to the stream. How are you?
Flank ba yun, Ate Honey?
Hmm?
Flank yun, na?
Yeah, one of them flank.
Thank you for
Yodel.
the heart, me, Lean. Thank you,
Ah, hindi ba
thank you.
sila dalawa?
How are you? Kamusta?
I have a joke.
Yeah, galing sa tower.
Ano yan? Ano? Sige. What's your joke? What's your joke?
Hello.
If
How
you
are
ever
you?
feel tired, get a wrist.
I know that. That's ano. Here's your daily ano yun?
Daily
Yung
Filipino
ano,
inspiration
if
for the
you're-
day.
If you feel like your life is sinking, group yourself into four.
Before.
Group yourself into
Oh my
four.
god.
If other people can do it, then make them do it.
Ito may lagnat. Hala.
Actually, like unironically, that
Wait.
used to be like you know how elementary school and high school slum books have your favorite
my gosh,
quote.
nag-crash ulit yung
My
Valorant
favorite
ko.
quote was
Hindi na
always,
uso
kung
sa-
kaya ng iba, pagawa mo sa kanila.
My Valorant
Actually,
is crashing.
Even back then, like my friends would always write shit like time is gold and shit like that, and I'm like, nah.
What the hell? There's two people here.
I can't.
Ito,
If you can do it right,
Speaking of
do
ano,
it left.
lagnat,
Do it left.
You should
None
do,
of us are
ano,
taking this
a
shit seriously.
lukewarm water, sponge bath, and drink a lot of water as well.
punyet.
Till now, loading pa rin ako. Nag-crash ulit naman yung ano ko. Yung
Eh,
Valorant ko.
Yan.
It's okay. It's okay. We're just playing ano naman. Is this is
Swift
Swift Play,
Play.
no? Yeah, this
Yeah,
is just Swift Play.
Out of
Etc.
video
Let's
memory.
go.
What?
Ayan. Huwag ka na magbalo. Ay, huwag ka na magbalo. Huwag ka na mag-stream.
Not first king round.
Visit!
It's go
Sana yan.
Odin, baby.
I'm on bronze, not going on
I was real
iron.
blind.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, ayaw umikot ng mouse ko, gago. Hello?
Ah,
Press escape, press escape.
it was,
Stupid
I'm
fucking...
going to ano na lang.
Whoa,
I'm going
whoa,
to
whoa, what the fuck?
Press escape, press
end
escape.
stream
Sorry,
na lang,
my
unfortunately.
mouse is being shit.
Since hindi ko maayos-ayos yung ano. I can't play Valo.
Niet.
Well, okay guys, I'll be going now.
Ano, magpupush tayo?
I'll either stream later or
Okay.
Kayo,
bukas na
push.
lang. So yeah,
Punyet.
bye everyone. Thank you to everyone who liked, to everyone to follow, to everyone to what you call that? Gift. Thank
Follow,
you so
follow.
much guys. Bye everyone. Good night, good night.
Follow
Ah.
Oh my god.